Last Z survival shooter tips and tricks. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best tips and tricks for Last Z survival shooter to help you progress faster. In battle, focus on dodging zombies while aiming your shoots carefully. Good movement reduces damages and help you survive tougher levels. When not fighting, focus on your HQ and buildings. Upgrading them unlocks new feature and boosts your overall progress. Invest in research upgrades to increase productivity, speed and efficiency. This helps you gather more resources and grow faster. Assign heroes based on their strengths like combat, gathering or exploration. Upgrade them regularly to unlock abilities and use better gear. Use low command heroes to send more troops for gathering. This improves efficiency and helps you collect resources faster. Join daily and weekly events to earn rewards like diamonds, tickets, and fragments with minimal effort. Always open daily task chests as they give valuable bonus, especially for free to play players. Being in strong lines gives you extra rewards, faster upgrades, and team support. Upgrade your best hero first to create a strong core for battle. And that's it. These tips will help you progress faster and play smarter in Last Z survival shooter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more helpful guides.